Welcome back to the renovation series. Last time we showed you under the bed drawers and our wallpapering skills. This time we are going outside.
Good morning. I'm talking really quiet because it's very early, but see how this is blue or like turquoise and white? And then if you look up, that is still very yellowy. This is what the painter is coming to paint today, and it's going to be the same as this. So white with the moving parts being turquoise, so that everything is protected from the elements for this winter. Time for a front garden update. The canna, oh, he plopped on the ground for you. The canna are growing really well. I love how they match the green, or like go with the green. We're still thinking about how to update this, but look, Mickey also likes it. And all the little plants that we have here have been growing really well as well. They've done some flowers. Oh, and look here. Maggie's spying on her brother. So good decisions have been made, and those are gonna flower. Mickey is so fascinated with the painters. They're moving the scaffolding. Of day one, they have fixed all the holes and they put the primer in a similar color already. So that's not the official paint, but the primer already in a good color, so I love that. Good morning. The painters were here again today to finish, because look, that's painted. I was like, why is the house so cold? They already finished. The window is wide open, so that's why. Let's see, can we see the paint? Oh, yes we can. What do you think? I'll go outside and show you better. The scaffolding is blocking the way a little bit, but here it is, all finished. It looks so much better. Oh, yay.
Hey friends, I haven't filmed for you guys in a while, which you will not notice because I'm editing it later, but I got this package from Little Green, the paint company, with a few more pink colors because I was feeling like maybe the pink that we picked, Masquerade, is too sand colored. I'm interested in maybe making it a little bit more pink. I saw some pictures of friends on holiday with like the Mediterranean type, Mexican looking walls that are pink. So I have all of these, and I checked with the plasterer yesterday. I'm gonna be painting these on the wall to see what they look like actually outside. It's been raining a lot, but the sun is shining now, so let's quickly just go out there and do it together. I'll do it here right next to the dark color for the wood parts, the window frames. This was the color that we picked first, Masquerade. Then there is Dorchester Pink, which I think might be a little bit too lilac. Shit, niet op mijn trui. Dit is mijn mooiste trui. Oh, that's above where you can see. I'll show close-ups in a second. Let me just fix my sweater first. Okay, I put my painting sweater on. Next up, oh, I already opened it. Hellebore. I think this is a stunning one. The colors don't come across on this screen, but I'll put up overlays. It is a lot more pink. Oh. If we do this, our house will look so pink. I don't think my boyfriend will like it, but I love it. And the last one is called Blush. It is an even darker pink. Almost, we call it oud roze in Dutch, so old pink. Looking at these, I actually like all of them a lot. This one is quite a lot darker, so with light in the garden, I don't know if that's a good idea. It won't reflect as much light, I mean, and it will be pretty dark, but I do think that they match well. This is very, very pink, like little girl's pink. This one that we picked originally is quite orangey, sandy, which is what we had in mind, and I think it matches really well with the door color. And this one I like the light pink, but I don't think it's a match with the door. So for me, we are either sticking with the one that we had or a little bit darker. Let's try one more thing. Since our vision was with the color behind all the plants, I'm gonna put a little bit of the paints on the wall here to see how it works with the green of the plants as well. I'm gonna wait for the sun to turn around so it's on the wall as well to see it that way. There's no rush in this because the plasterer still has to come and do 2 layers, but it's very exciting to see it finally on the wall where we hope it will look amazing. So
we just got a very exciting package, but I am currently doing my nails, so my boyfriend is going to open it for us. It is very cool. It's gonna save us a lot of money as well. And yes, Geert is using my nail file to open the box here. That was the only thing we could find.
We have here
turn it around. Turn it around.
an Anchor expansion battery.
This, together with a box that is arriving in a few days, is a home battery that is going to save the energy from our solar panels so we can use it when the sun is not shining.
Whoa. Oh!
Whoa. Man, it's beautiful.
Fucking hell, mate. Oh, I'm just lifting with this.
Kom eens! Goed zo, Mickey. Lekker doosje. Heb je gekregen van Anker? The second box arrived while I was away, so my boyfriend opened it and filmed it for you. This is the main battery. We have a small house with not that much storage, but we decided to place it on the attic here. The installation of the battery itself is not super difficult, but we also needed some changes in our fuse box. That took a bit of time, but once it was all installed, it was time for the reveal.
Whoa.
This combination setup gives us 5.4 kilowatt hours of electricity storage, which is perfect with our solar panels. But also in the Netherlands, in 2027, they are abolishing net metering, meaning you can no longer offset your electricity use with excess solar power. So the battery is going to be extra helpful from then on. Even though I think the battery is beautiful and sleek, plants are even more pretty, right? All the plant lights are on. There. Throughout the house, and we are currently not using any electricity. See, 0 from the net. Solar panel 0 because it's dark. And here you can see the battery supplying energy to our system. So the solar energy we collected throughout the day is now powering my grow lights, my plants, my TV even. Amazing. Thank you, Anchor. Back to the walls, we were working on the back facade, and while my boyfriend was away for work, I got a phone call that the plasterer was finally coming, and all of a sudden I had to remove a bunch of stuff. So luckily our friends came to help, and then it ended up that the plasterer was not coming the next day. It took another week until he finally did show up. Builders apparently are super busy right now, or at least last year, probably still. Good morning. Look who's here.
Ooh.
By colors. The plasterer just let me know that he is almost ready. One more layer, but it needs to harden off a little bit first, so let's take a quick look. Finally. We have been waiting for this since beginning of May. It is now October. We let it dry and then we do the paint.
And that's it for this episode. In the next one, I will try grouting for the first time, and I don't know what else I'll include, but I hope to see you there. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a nice comment, and thanks so much for watching, friends. Bye!